Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. It is your natural nail guru. It is a new year. Happy New Year. I'm in the middle of trying to get my nails done. Something quick and simple because lately I never have time to get them done. But I figured I would take this opportunity to kind of go over what was really awesome about 2020, being grateful for it, and what is to come for Oh My Gel now that this new year is starting. Just extraordinary that happened for Oh My Gel in 2020 was definitely being able to get the YouTube channel up and running. We gained 3,000 subscribers this year, and I'm just forever grateful for that. Our first team member, Stephanie's here with us. She is doing absolutely amazing. Clients love her. She is killing it with quality of service, and that is always what you can expect from Oh My Gel. But she's doing really great. I'm just so happy that she's here with us. We were able to open up our new location, move out of my 100 square foot little space, and I'm really grateful for that. It was such a huge move and really, really scary, to be honest with you. But you just gotta push through and make it happen, and I'm very grateful that I had the opportunity to get the space. A little unorthodox kind of salon, but I love it because there's nothing normal about Oh My Gel, so why would my shop be any different? And those three things were really like my biggest goals for this year: opening up the shop, getting the team started, and getting this YouTube channel up and running so that way I can really move forward on the education aspect of the business, which is definitely the most important aspect of my vision for Oh My Gel. Which brings me into what we can expect for 2021. So growing the team is priority. Hopefully by February, I'll be ready to start putting word out there that I'm looking for the next team member. There is a full training process and hiring process because, like, you know, there's never going to be anything less than exceptional from anyone who's certified and training and performing services backed by Oh My Gel. You can always count on that. So I'm really excited to start that growth process or really continue that growth process this year. Education, not only will more be being brought to YouTube, but I will be starting on my coaching and trainings, one-on-one, virtual, in-person, and also in group settings. So that's going to be super huge for this year. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, that's really, really awesome and exciting, and also going to be a big scary move, but I just need to do it. So it's going to get done. The website is already in the works, so hopefully within the next couple months that'll be done. We have the completion of the shop, which is still necessary. That tour is coming very soon. Here we have the front room. This is getting changed out. This, I have a very special idea for this in mind for right now. It's just where I keep my Christmas tree. The arcade is the bomb. Look at this wallpaper. I'm getting a beautiful big sign getting put there. Can't wait to show you what that's gonna have. This is gonna be our front desk. So that's gonna get put together pretty soon. I've had 2 grown adults fall asleep in that couch. It's actually very comfortable. Thank you, Wayfair. Very nice, very nice, very nice. We have our bathroom there, our beautiful green wall. I got an awesome neon sign that's gonna come in for up there. This is my workspace right now. My tree and the little baggies I had for my clients. Everything back here is getting overhauled. The only thing that's gonna stay is the color of that wall and pretty much the positioning of where the cleaning cabinet area space is. This is my mess over here as I was doing my nails, and yes, this is what I do right now to record. I literally bring up a table and get this little flexible wobbly thing and have lights pointing to try to help me with this. I'm still working on it, guys, be patient. But yeah, I need more storage for my nail polish because I don't have enough, which is why I have these polishes still over here. And ooh, look at those, some Valentino colors. Gonna be trying that out. Ooh, and guess what? Gonna be trying out this diamond gel, another review that's gonna be coming. And yes, those are roller skates. This is a perfect floor to roller skate on. So I don't know how to reverse this one. So this is the totally unfinished shop. It's been 5.5, 6 months. It's getting done. I can't even stress it. I'm here. It's getting done. It's getting put together in a month or so. This, well, pretty much in the next 30 days, this front room should be pretty much completely done, I'm hoping, and then we'll be able to overhaul back room. And it's a lot of money, honestly, and I'm not rich, unfortunately. So it does take time, and I got to do it step by step, starting with what's priority down to, you know, what's just for looks. But I would say one of the biggest setbacks with that has also been just me being so indecisive on the vibe that I want for the shop and the pieces that I buy and the furniture and the tone that it sets. So once I got my wallpaper, which is really crazy and I love it, but once I got that wallpaper, everything else kind of kept rolling. It was just flowing really, really good. So now it's just a matter of, you know, buying everything that's necessary because it's expensive, let me tell you, but totally worth it. So expanding on the shop, officially having a grand opening. I'm hoping in February we can do that because we technically haven't really had one. And that's pretty much it. I'm just so excited really just to get that started and to get more clients into Oh My Gel, to start having more employees that are able to really just show that what I have to offer and to teach is going to make an impact. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, I promise you that all the tips that I'm providing is something that is going to help you. And when I can start duplicating that and showing it in the people that are coming to train with me, like, that's gonna be mind-blowing. That's like ultimate mind-blowing because, oh my gosh, I'm honestly like on cloud nine just thinking about it. But I'm really excited about that aspect, that point. 2021 is gonna be super huge. I'm so excited to be able to just do more for my clients, incorporate little programs and little kind of things that I want to do for them while they're here in the shop, because once they come here, they're pretty much stuck here forever. So this is definitely family, and I'm just grateful to start getting into a position where I could really just give back and show my clients all the appreciation I have for them, essentially. They know I love them very much. But it's exciting. 2021 is going to be filled with a lot. It's not going to be easy. It never is. But if we focus on that, then you know, we're only affecting every other aspect of our life in a negative way. So I'm definitely not gonna worry about anything other than just sticking to my goals, my vision, and handling everything else as it comes, because, you know, we're bosses like that. We can make it happen. But I guess that's all for today. I won't keep talking your ear off. I need to finish getting these nails done because it is impossible for me to talk and do things at the same time. Utterly impossible. But thank you everyone so much for tuning in. There's lots more that's gonna be coming on Oh My Gel. Oh, and the reviews. Actually, before I give up the talking for now, reviews last year on the videos were really, really big. I think the Beatles and the Sally Hansen cuticle removers were super huge. There is a lot more reviews gonna be coming soon. I'm actually doing the Valentino Beauty Pro myself. I'll get a couple other clients to do it as well. I have Madame Glam. I have more Kiara Sky. I got D&D matte top coats. And just more on the D&D line in general. Still doing my research on it. But yeah, there's gonna be lots of reviews coming. You know that there's no one else reviewing products like Oh My Gel. We're really testing them out. Multiple clients testing it out. We are checking out the differences as much as we can down to the detail. You know that you're gonna get no review more thorough than what you're gonna get here in Oh My Gel. So for those review junkies, make sure that you guys are subscribed and you have your notifications on. Because yeah, lots more is going to be coming to the channel next year, or this year now, I guess you could say. But that's really exciting. So, okay, now I'm officially done. I need to get back to my nails. You guys have an incredible start to your year. Set your goals and just worry about focusing on accomplishing them, and you'll get pretty far. I can definitely bet on that. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in, and I will catch you later with done nails, hopefully.